Hello Snapchat fam. So you made a public profile on Snapchat. But now you're like, nah, I don't need all these random people seeing my stuff. No worries, I got you. Today I'll show you how to remove your public profile from Snapchat in just a few easy steps. First, before we remove it, here's what happened when you delete your public profile. Your stories and spotlight post won't be visible to everyone anymore. Your public bio and subscriber count will disappear. You go back to your regular private Snapchat account. Only your friend can see you. If that sounds good, let's remove that public profile. So first open Snapchat and tap your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Tap the setting icon in the top right corner. Now go to public profile setting. Click on your name, scroll till last. There you see clear public profile. Click on that. Snapchat will ask you one more time before taking main decision. Once feel okay, clear, click on clear. And just like that, your public profile is gone. If this helped, drop a like and hit subscribe. And turn on notification for more Snapchat tricks.